I want to teach you how to download Microsoft Office 2021 for free. So come to this link here, click on this link. When this link opens, these are configuration setup. Please make sure that you don't have the old Microsoft Office in your laptop and install, because you are going to install a new one. So these are setup. Which architecture do you want to deploy? Assuming that you have 32-bit laptop or 64, you choose, and then you proceed to the next office suite. You choose the suite that you want. These are office. I'm going to recommend this one, and then scroll down and click next here. After clicking next, choose language that you want. Click here on the language and choose English United States. Then proceed slowly. Click next again. Then on this point here, switch off this one and install MSI version. Then click next, then click next, click next, and then click next again, next, and next, and then it's up now to finish the setup. By doing that, then we now make the let me reduce the size to this. Okay, by doing that, you have now customized your tool. Click on the export, and then click on Office XML, open, okay, accept, then export as this name configuration. Okay, by doing that, you have now configured the customization tool. Then come here to this link here again. I'll have to leave these links in my video, below my video, so in the video description. Then click on the download slowly. So when you click on the download, this is going to download these two, Office Deployment Tool and this XML tool. So by doing that, we have now our tools, these two and the second one. So come to your desktop and create a folder here. Okay, so I'm going to create a folder and name this folder Office. Okay, I'm going to create a folder and name this folder Office here, and name this folder Office. Rename, then I Office, like that. By doing this, open your downloads. Let me open my downloads like this, and then copy these two files, this one and configuration. So I'm going to control, then right click, copy, then I come and copy them in my Office folder here. By doing that, copy here, copy here. So by doing that, now you have to click on this folder here and then extract, run as administrator. Okay, then say yes, and choose this one, say continue, and then come here and choose the Office, the folder that you created. So look at the Office, this one, and click OK. So by doing that, we have now our setup in the Office folder. So the next step is to copy this folder to our local disk C. So I'm going to open our local disk C here, this one, and then I'm going to copy this file here. Okay, so this file is in action. Okay, let me quit, which is so after moving our folder into this local disk C here. Now open your terminal. So I'm going to open my terminal. So command prompt as administrator, and then now we want to cd to this file, the file that we have moved here. So click there and then copy the path. Click there at the top and then copy this path. Come back to your command prompt and now cd to it like that, office, and then I'm going to provide the command that you are going to type so that you can install your Microsoft Word. So at this point, these are the commands that you are going to write: setup.exe, then slash configure, then configuration XML, configuration.xml, like that. So by writing that command, and click enter, it will run the setup automatically and install all the files that are needed. Okay, so please make sure that you click enter and install your Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share.